Next, before we actually start working on our website, we would want to move it in under construction. So let me just open the website which we are working on currently. It's cafinal.org/test, and currently we can see there is a lot of dummy data which is there, like sample pages, etc. Now, in normal cases, we would not want our website to look like this to the audiences before it is actually launched. We would want it to be under construction, so that by the time it is ready, people would come to know that it's actually under construction and work is being done on this thing. For this, we will use a simple plugin which is called as a under construction plugin. We'll just go to plugins, add new. Here we'll search for under construction, and here we get multiple plugins which are there, which will help us show that the website is under construction. There is also under maintenance plugin which is there in case we want to update the website and want to move it into maintenance by the time it's not yet ready for the visitors. Now I will just install the first one which is there. It has got around 4 lakh plus active installations, and it has updated 6 days ago, so it is one of the most popular ones. I'll just click on activate, and once I do this, I can see a small on the top I've got under construction, and there's an option of on and off there. Currently, if I just open the website in the normal tab, currently I'm in the incognito tab where it is there. I can see the entire website. Now, if I just switch the under construction as on, and again I can go back and I can refresh, and I can see a attractive image which is coming up, and it says, sorry, we are doing some work on the site. Thank you for being patient. We are doing some work on the site and will be back shortly. In fact, there is the WordPress admin login button also which is there. So let's say if you don't remember the login URL, you can simply click here to log into the admin panel. We can also customize this message by going into the settings of the plugin. So I will just dismiss this notice. I'll go to settings, and in the settings I'll just go to under construction tab, and here they've got a special welcome discount for the new users. So I'll just dismiss again this setting, this notification. Under construction mode is on. Prevent search engine from indexing this temporary site. We can on this if we don't want Google to do this. Automatic end date and time. So maybe we want to automatically remove the under construction flag. If we want the Google Analytics on, we can do the tracking on as well. We can look at the design. Currently it's this design which is there. We can also activate this design with a video background, and there are many other designs which are available. Some of these designs are premium also, like the one with the star mark is a premium one, which we may have to buy it from this website. So I'll just select we can just select any of those designs and activate it, so that people come to know that the website is under construction. Again, this is totally your individual choice. You can select any of these theme depending on the aesthetics that you want the users to see. Next is the content. We can just write some title there that will be live shortly, and we can just manage all the content from here, and the headline here, and whatever we want to, we can just manage it from here. access whitelisted IP addresses, so on and off. So this is more access related one. So you really need not bother about all these settings if you are just temporarily moving it under construction, as we are doing it currently in this case. When we log in from the admin panel and access the website, we get a notification here stating that the under construction mode is enabled, but you are whitelisted, so you see the normal site. Now, since we have logged into the admin panel, we are seeing the normal site. We can just do away with this notification, and this is important because we would want to preview the website, how it is looking, and what is the content which is being updated.